Well, hello everyone. In this course, we'll learn how to create an SAC model. First, let's understand what an SAC model is. A model typically represents business data within an organization, for example, a sales order, an accounting document, or a purchase order. All these are classic examples of SAC models. Models form the foundation of data analysis. There are two types of SAC models: analytical models and planning models. This video focuses on creating analytical models. A model has two core components: dimensions and measures. These are fundamental concepts in modeling. Dimensions represent different data perspectives. Take a sales order as an example. It contains customer data, product data, sales organization data, and so on, which we call dimensions. Measures represent numerical metrics, like order quantities, unit prices, or the financial posting amounts. In this demonstration, we'll create a sales order model. It will include product, customer, sales organization, and document dimensions. Each dimension contains specific attributes. Take products as an example. We have product IDs, names, categories, groups, and brands. These are model attributes. For measures, we'll track order quantities, unit prices, net values, discounts, and total amounts. Now let's walk through the model creation process in the system. First, navigate to the SAC interface. Under the Model section, there are two ways to create models here. The first is to create a new model, and the second is to create a live data model. The live data model is used when connecting to SAP backend systems to create lifted models. In this tutorial, we'll create an empty model. Let's click here. Select Create Empty Model. Click Create. After entering, we can see the main interface layout. The workspace has three main areas: model structure, calculations, and data management. In model structure, we can view the model's measures and dimensions. This is the details panel. Select any dimension or measure, and its details appear here. Click to collapse. Since this is an analytic model, disable the planning capability. Next, let's build the model. First, create a product dimension. Let's see. There are multiple model types: date, generic, account, and organizational. We'll use generic type. Add new. Enter the model name. Add model description. Each dimension has its own table. Click to open dimension tables. This displays the dimensions data. Systems create ID and description columns by default. Now let's add new attributes. In our case, we need more fields beyond ID and description: product categories, product groups, and trademarks. Let's create these three attributes. Creating product category attribute. Creating product group attribute. Now, creating brand trademark attribute. OK, click Save. Wait, we're missing a measure. Let's finish this attribute first, then backtrack. By this way, we complete dimension creation. Next, let's create other dimensions. Customers. Open dimension table. We need customer group and industries. These two attributes. Okay, let's save it, and back. Okay, let's create sales organization. No additional attributes here. Go ahead to create the sales document dimension. We have sales doc number and related line items. Let's add another attribute. Done. With that, we've completed creating all dimensions in the model. Next, let's create the measures. Click this button to create measures. We have a quantity measure, unit price, net amount, and discount amount. The net amount here should be a calculated measure. Let's create these 4 base measures first. Here, we can select the data type. The data type. Okay, let's proceed to create the unit price. The unit price. Okay, here we'll select the data type. To maintain consistency. Good, now let's create gross amount. Proceeding to create discount amount. Perfect. Finally, let's save our model. Let's give the model a name. It will take a while to finish. Done. Our model creation is complete. We can click here to switch to mode view. To check the graphical representation, this is our fact table, containing 4 measures and 6 dimensions, connected to dimension tables via foreign keys. Great, we have completed the core work of model creation.